You know who can really help you with your copywriting? Your children. Don't have children? Borrow some. Here's why. The goal with copywriting is to pitch your writing at a 12-year-old's reading level. That's not because your audience is 12. It's not because your audience is stupid. It's because your audience is busy and distracted, and the chances are you're interrupting them in the middle of something else. You're a distraction on top of a distraction. The less work it is to read what you write, the more your busy, distracted audience will take in. I had a client who liked to drop into his writing phrases like cross-modal attention shifting. Given enough time, you could probably work out what cross-modal attention shifting is, but do you want to? Or are you likely to walk away from a piece of writing that takes that much effort to read? That's why we aim for a 12-year-old reading level, so that fewer readers walk away. Writing simply makes our audience better informed. They will have taken in more of the useful information we're giving them. And better informed people buy. Confused people stick with what they're already doing. They don't buy. If you don't have a handy child at home, just imagine yourself talking to one. Do they get what you mean when you invent a word like learnings? Hey Jane, what were your learnings at school today? Or would they use an actual word like lessons? Do they leverage Instagram or do they just use it? Simple writing can be frightening because it gives us fewer places to hide by trying to look clever. However, it makes our audience feel clever. If you focus on making your audience feel clever, you'll see the benefits in your conversion rate. If you found this helpful, make sure you follow, subscribe, or connect for weekly tips.